Okay. Okay. Chunder is the name for that run. Woo! We're checking in from the top of Brundage, Hidden Valley's little area. Hasn't snowed in a couple weeks, so this snow, a little firm, soft, but definitely going to be a little funky. So we're going to be careful, take it easy. Well, it's beautiful morning. Temps are cool. It's definitely sun affected yesterday. We have a weird pattern in the inversion. But that's all right. We're just gonna go do some reconnaissance on the snowpack. Ooh, it's firm. It'll give me a little something on top. Okay. Crunchy in tracks. Remember that. Crunchy in tracks. Ooh, what are we getting into here? Woo! Ooh. A little firm, huh? So I went in, came down the easiest way possible. We're gonna get under some gnarlier ways down. Just go look at everything, see what's worth it, see where you want to stay, what you want to ski. The groomers are phenomenal. So if I got to stay on the groomers, I will. This is kind of what we're thinking might be good with how firm it is. That looks steep but consistent. And then our other face is here. Man, it's just a crunchy day. There's nothing to it. It hasn't snowed in weeks. Man, Viz is hard. This is kind of what I sure hope that's skiable. I'm thinking the main chute or anything to the left. I don't know. I might give it some time. Well, we came back up top. It's a little later in the day. Let the sun come up, warm up the air. Let the snow wake up. It's a little crusty this morning, but to be expected. That's what we got this season. Hasn't snowed in a little while. Hoping for some firm pack up here. Oh man, is it gonna be pretty? Okay. Okay, I like that snow underfoot. I'm dropping into the rigid terminator. We got some steeps in here. That's some steep. Tis the way. What do you think? Let's open up slow. This is the first. Snow's a little crabby. Oh. Very grabby. Man. Ooh, that is some chunky snow. This is gonna be hard. But you got this, Jacob. I'm gonna slide in. and go right. I think that was the move. Ooh. I gotta be careful. Where we end up. There's some cliffs in here. Snow's a little funky. It's actually better down here. Woo! Now it's firm. Man. Oh, that was pretty difficult to ski. Hidden Valley, early season. Well, we know what the snow is going to be like. It looks like a little more open this way. Okay. Okay. Trunder is the name for that run. Woo! Man. That was honestly pretty techy in there, and I like it. Skied better than the first shoot through. Yeah. There's some big lines in there. Man, what a dream.